Hey, Adam Savage here in my cave with a show and tell that I'm pretty excited about. It's a product that you could buy that I never thought I'd see. And it's not like I was hoping that I would see it one day, but it just never even occurred to me that I might see it. And it's Blade Runner related. So, careful watchers have tested, know how much I love Blade Runner. Here's my scratch-built Deckard blaster made from all the same firearms as the original. It is just one of my favorite objects in this shop. And it's still not done. It'll never be done. There's still like 5 or 6 things I could do to make it even more accurate. And I will eventually. And here is my lovely copy of Kay's blaster from Blade Runner 2049. These are 2 awesome movie sidearms. I love the update of this with the twin barrels. I feel like it fits right into the canon. But what if I was a Lego person? Oh, there we go. What if I was a Lego person? This is a Lego minifig that got built of me. I just love this thing. What does he carry? He doesn't have any blasters. Until now. Because Brick Arms has released the reloaded M2019 Blade Runner Deckard blaster and Kay's blaster. Hold on, here we go. We'll see if we can do this. Here is Deckard's blaster. Wait, I gotta put it in the hand of the dude. The dude, me, I'm the dude. Okay, here we go. There, see, if I hold this all the way up, it's just not gonna get in focus. I have to pull it back here. There is Deckard's blaster. And I have to tell you, the fidelity is pretty amazing. It's got twin triggers. The sides are different. And shows you're going to have to, Norm took some close-up shots, which we may even cut in here right now so you can see this up close. It's pretty accurate for the size that it is. And Kay's blaster is no different. Aside from the handle being shaped specifically for Lego Me's diminutive hands, Kay's blaster is a very reasonable facsimile of the original. No, it doesn't have a light on it. This kind of extra add-ons that companies like Brick Arms makes me very happy. This is the kind of fandom that I can completely get behind. Yeah, go ahead and make some minuscule These, by the way, these are not super cheap, right? It's actually a few bucks to buy the pair of them, but they're so tiny, man. If you dropped it on your floor, your mom would sweep it up. I guess this is a way of me saying I love how much effort went into something that could be mistaken by most of the world as something totally unimportant. And yet, it's important and delightful. And now, Lego Me is slowly building the same collection of awesome movie firearms that actual me has already amassed. And that's a good thing. Now I need one of those Lego ZF-1 guns from The Fifth Element. Get on it, Brick Arms! Thank you guys for joining me for this show and tell. I will see you next time.